Finished product: cauliflower fried rice garnished with some green onions, and then we have beef stewed potato, which kind of defeats the purpose. This is supposed to be all veggies, but just a bit of carbs, and that is tonight's dinner. Good morning, happy Wednesday. So we are currently at Walmart, just buying some necessities and stuff. I was planning on running errands later this evening, but I have to film. Today is like technically a filming day. Also just wanted to update you guys with the whole skincare situation. Received the Skin Food Peach Sake Toner on Friday. After I started using it, my skin went back to normal. Oily on the T-zone, regular everywhere else. No longer have the dry patches around this area, and the breakouts are all under control. So I'm telling you, it's the Skin Food Peach Sake Toner. You know, that is like a lifesaver for me. Change aisles really quickly. Just a little update with Darren. One of my dad's friends had actually put his name in the bulletin for our church to pray for loved ones in the military, which I thought was really sweet. Thank you so much, Tita Louie and Tita Vilma, for including Darren's name in there. Good morning, you guys. Happy Saturday. It's been a few days since I've vlogged. Just been working. Filmed yesterday at patio area in front of Starbucks and Jamba Juice, and you know, I had like my whole shebang set up, which was really funny. I wanted to film somewhere else, but I didn't want to use my vlog camera. I wanted it to use like, you know, my Canon and the nicer lens with the tripod and the mic and all that. So I kind of did that yesterday. I really wish I vlogged though, so you guys could have seen it. This is my setup right now, like legit my setup right now. I'm filming, and then look, there's a truck. It's so noisy. I can't film the rest of my video until it goes away. But it was definitely very interesting. I met a really nice lady named Lena who was super sweet. She talked to me. It was nice meeting you, Lena. That video is already live. It kind of just answers some questions and you know, things I was going through the past like few years or so. At the end, all I can really take from it is just positivity and a life lesson. Everything happens for a reason. Moving on from that, we're gonna be attending my friend Gina-ism, her daughter's 8th birthday. She invited me the last time I saw her, and I think Mimi and Dom are also gonna be there. So it'll be nice, you know, to see the ladies and just hang out. I think it's like an hour and 24 minutes away. I think that's without traffic, so fingers crossed, you guys, that there's no traffic. Okay, so we just made it here. Luckily, there really wasn't that much traffic, thank goodness. So it really wasn't that bad, but it is hot. I'm sweating, and the really bad thing is I forgot to put on deodorant. How gross is that? Shut up. What's up, you guys? Happy Sunday. Yesterday I went to my friend Gina-ism's daughter's birthday party. Thank you so much for having me, Gina. And Mimi was there, Memes Couture, her husband and her 2 kids. Filmed today, and then we were just like running errands. Now we're gonna go eat at Pho here in Fallbrook. We are hungry. It's already like almost 7. It's time to eat. And yeah. Oh, and let me tell you, Darren called us this afternoon, probably around like 3:40. It was such a surprise call from him. He already passed boot camp. We're so super proud of him, and we're excited to see him in 10 days exactly. Thai tea boba. Got the stir-fry tofu with vegetables and rice. Hubs just got the regular pho and a side of onions. I'm gonna have some of that too. Are you sharing your onions?
No, that's chive.
Oh, is that chive? Oh, sorry. Thought it was onions.